actually participated in the robotics competition the year prior, and we wanted to enter this competition again because even though it was more competitive and there were more elements to the competition, we still believe that we had a fair shot. Plus, last year's competition was actually very fun and interactive for us because not only do we get to compete with other teams, but we also got to, interact with each other and, build and design our own attachments, contribute ideas, engage with other people at the Tech Expo. So overall, it was a very enlightening and learning.
So the HoleyBot actually is very easy to assemble. It was created for us to assemble. Easy parts, easy manuals to follow, and they don't really mess up. So yeah, they stay together and it helps us to.
It's amazing how it was 3D printed too as well.
Right, and when you're troubleshooting it, it's easy to also pick apart and then find out what exactly the problem is, like with the mechanical printed parts and the electronic parts.
I designed the attachments for our team, and I took the base attachment which Benedict created and I made a few modifications to it.
Okay, so for the components of the robots, before we added the attachments, we actually got the components 3D printed and they were given to us from Abacus Robotics and Robotics Academy. So Abacus Robotics designed and printed the components and Robotics Academy helped us assemble.
We went through a lot of attachments. We actually created one before, and we found that some things were not working the way we wanted it to work, and we created another one, and then it was better.
We'd like to tell all SHS students across the country that they should also be able to, create whatever they imagine, as in we are in the modern world. So most of the things we do now deals with technology. They should be able to come out with whatever they have, don't feel shy, and then they'll make it. Yeah.
It's very entertaining as well as it's very educative too. So you can learn a lot from it, like programming, 3D modeling, and also more about the various ideas.
Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop your engine.